Hi, it's another great day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. I'm at our Coto demonstration garden, and up here we have this beautiful tree. This is a sweet acacia. It's a Fabaceae from the legume family, so it'll get little pea pods for seeds. In Australia, they call it a needle bush, and in Spanish, we call it a Huisache. And that means many thorns. If you look closely, we have these tiny little thorns on the stems, and these larger thorns, wow, along the trunks and the larger branches. So today, his scientific name is Vachellia farnesiana. It used to be called Acacia farnesiana, and even Mimosa farnesiana, because his little leaves and leaflets here, they look like from a mimosa tree. Wow. So he probably originated in South America, maybe Philippines, maybe even Australia. But today, it's a super spread out. It's naturalized all across Africa, Europe, United States, and lots of other countries. It's described as a drought-tolerant large bush or small tree. He gets 15 to 30 feet tall, loves to grow in full sunlight, and he thrives in dry saline soils. Grows best in USDA zones 9 through 11. It's a great ornamental for your xeriscape garden, as a roadside tree, or along your walkway. So his bark, and his stems down here, he's got multi-trunks coming out, and multi-branches and stems all throughout this beautiful little tree. So the bark is a little grayish, sometimes even a little bit blackish, and it has natural tannin, so it's good for treating leather. And the leaves up here, it's a good little set right here. He's got bipinnate leaves. They're very fern-like. See that coming out? This one structure is a leaf, and the leaf branches out to little leaflets, and on those little leaflets are tinier leaflets. So it's bipinnate the way that little pattern is. Just like a mimosa tree or a silk tree. And these little leaves are edible. You can pull them off and eat them. Wow. Very fern-like and delicate. That's great. And the flowers, look at these beautiful, beautiful yellow puffs of flowers. Just look at that. Super soft and delicate. And super aromatic and great at attracting bees. Look at that. So if you smell it, it's got a little bit of a cinnamon taste or cinnamon smell with underlying balsamic undertones. It's beautiful, puffy, yellow flowers. And the flowers are also edible. So you'd eat the leaves, the flowers, and the seed pods. And not all countries love this plant, because it gets really invasive and wild. If you try to pull it up or disturb it, it'll easily resprout. And the seeds, they're eaten by the deer, the birds, and the cattle. Then the livestock, they spread them throughout the grazing pastures along creeks. It becomes really invasive. So in Australian Fiji, it's considered an invasive weed. Like I mentioned, you could eat these beautiful flowers here. Eat them raw if you want. Eat the seed pods raw. Wow, even the little tiny fern-like leaves and leaflets. Beautiful. Each one of these leaflets have those little tiny little spines or thorns on a little Huisache. So you can propagate this guy by seeds or cuttings. And the best way, the easiest way, is by the seeds. You want to wait about 4 to 6 months till they mature. And you scar the seeds with maybe sandpaper. You're roughing them up. You can take a little knife or nail clippers, clip the bottom parts. You soak them in hot water. You plant them in a well-draining potting mix, and they germinate in about 4 weeks. Or you can use a cutting. What you do is you take a young stem, like this one, better in summer, You kind of cut it halfway or 3/4 at the base. You peel it back so you get some of the little bark layer peeling off the other branch. Put that in a little potting mix, and it should grow quite nicely. Anyway, it's a great looking plant. We're a little bit late in the blooming season. This is May 2nd, but it looks terrific to me. This is our sweet acacia, Vachellia farnesiana, up here at Coto de Caza in Orange County. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so I hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.